Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 300 calorie per meal diet plan. So in this diet plan, your 3 major meals will contain food options or meal options less than 300 calories of each. Healthy, nutritious and very fulfilling. With the help of which you'll be able to lose 2 kgs in 7 days very quickly and very easily. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great weight loss transformations happening for themselves. And so can you. So for personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start our weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with 300 calorie per meal diet plan with the help of which you'll be able to lose 2 kgs in 7 days very quickly. Starting with our early morning drink, which will be ginger turmeric tea. Now this particular tea boosts your immune system as well as digestive system is improved to a greater extent. So we'll have this tea for our early morning drink. The recipe is here. Second option for early morning drink can be kesar or saffron water. Very important for your skin benefits and also improves the elasticity of your skin along with digestive system as well. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for 300 calorie per meal. The first option is for all the vegetarians out there or who eat eggs for their breakfast very easily. So what you can have is you can have 3 boiled egg whites along with 1 fruit of your own choice. You can have any seasonal fruit, apple, papaya, pineapple, pomegranate, whatever is available to you. You can have with your egg whites to give you the good protein content and fruit for the fiber and tremendous nutritious benefits. Second option for vegetarians is veggie omelette. You can prepare 3 egg whites veggie omelette in which you can add lots of seasoned vegetables to it like spinach, mushroom, onion, capsicum, broccoli, carrots, peas, whatever you find, and you can add to your veggie omelette and prepare a very fuller omelette out of it. Good in protein content and fiber from the veggies. Second option is for my all vegetarian friends out there. You can have my sandwich recipes. Now I personally prefer banana peanut butter sandwich for your protein content and as well as to suppress your sugar cravings. Here is the recipe for banana peanut butter sandwich. And second option is spinach corn sandwich, and this recipe is for all the veggie lovers out there. You can add this recipe for your weight loss and achieve your targets very easily. This is the complete recipe of my spinach corn sandwich. And the third and the last option for breakfast under 300 calorie is 1 methi parantha with curd or tea or coffee as per your own preference. The recipe for methi parantha is here. It's very nutritious and very yummy as well. For all the parantha lovers for breakfast, you can follow this recipe and you will not gain any kind of weight with the paranthas. Enjoy your paranthas in a healthy way. Proceeding towards our mid-morning option, which will be you can either have 2 pieces of dry coconut or you can have 1 glass of coconut water. Now this is as per your own preference. You can choose any one out of 2, but make sure you have this for your mid-morning snack. Very important for your hair benefits and skin benefits, as well as coconut helps in reducing constipation and gives you good hydration as well. Second option for mid-morning snack is you can have 1 glass of lassi or chas, but make sure to add no sugar or no salt to it at all. You can add roasted jeera powder, mint leaves for freshness, but do not add any kind of sweetener or salt to it. Lassi or chas makes sure to reduce the inflammation of the body and as well as is a great source of probiotic. Proceeding towards our lunch options for 300 calories. And before our lunch, as usual, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water to digest all the lunch very quickly. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water. Mix it well and have it 1 hour before your lunch to give you good digestion properties and as well as to help you with flushing out the unwanted waste very quickly. And third is to prevent blood sugar spikes as soon as we consume our meals. Proceeding towards our lunch options. So in every meal, we'll make sure to give it a good protein content of the day. So lunch, we'll keep 2 options. The first option is you can have 50 to 70 grams of paneer bhurji or 3 egg whites bhurji along with 1 oats roti. Now the calorie intake of this is approximately 282 calories, but make sure to consume only 1 chapati, not more than that. Prepare it with oats flour to minimize your calories also and to increase your fiber and nutritious value of the chapati as well. Here is the complete recipe of my oats roti or paneer bhurji as well. Whatever suits you the best, have egg bhurji or paneer bhurji and enjoy your nutritious lunch. Second option is you can have 2 plain dosas prepared with rice or ragi as per your own preference and have it along with coconut chutney or a small bowl of sambar or rasam. But make sure to not exceed it from 2 dosas. And proceeding towards our last third option for lunch under 300 calorie is khichdi. For all the rice lovers out there, you can try out my recipe for healthy, nutritious khichdi and very good in calorie content also, and at the same time amazing for your taste buds as well. Here is a complete recipe of my khichdi. You can follow it, try any of its recipes and enjoy your low calorie lunch. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack, which will be tea or coffee as per your own preference. If you like to have tea or coffee, or you can even have 1 cup of freshly brewed matcha tea. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. So make sure to at least add this drink once in a day of your weight loss journey to help smoothen the process of weight loss and to give you a good antioxidant spike as well. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of high protein seed mix, or you can have 30 grams of roasted makhana as well, as per your own preference. The link to buy high protein seed mix is in the description box below. You can go and check it out very easily. Proceeding towards our healthy dinner options under 300 calories, which will be the first option is you can have 2 to 3 or approximately 150 to 200 grams of my high protein kebabs. The recipe for high protein kebabs is yet again here. Super easy to prepare, very delicious, very yummy, and at the same time high in protein as well. Good fiber intake, also gluten free in nature as well. So you can follow it out and have 150 grams to 200 grams of this kebab recipe for your dinner. Proceeding towards our second option for 300 calorie dinner is you can have roasted or tandoori, grilled, paneer or chicken or fish as per your own preference. You can have approximately 50 to 70 grams of paneer or tofu, or you can have 150 grams of chicken or fish as per your own preference. But make sure that it's only grilled and not fried in any manner. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of salad prepared using hunker dressing, or you can even skip it and have good full bowl of stir fry veggies or raw salad along with it as per your own preference. The recipe for stir fry veggies is yet again up on my channel, and here is the recipe. And the last option is apple oats smoothie for all the sweet lovers out there. If you suffer from any kind of sweet cravings or sugar cravings at night, then you should definitely try out this recipe to suppress all your sugar cravings out there. Apple oats banana smoothie is yet again very healthy, high protein and yet fiber rich smoothie option for your dinner, and here is a complete recipe of it. Super easy to prepare and get very nutritious in each and every manner. Now proceeding towards our bedtime drink, which is very important for our weight loss. So we'll have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea to help you relieve the stress of the entire day and also to give you good sleep of the night, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. So always make sure that you do not deprive yourself of 8 hours of sleep, and this tea definitely makes your task super easy. The link to buy fresh organic chamomile tea is given in the description box below. You can go check it out online very easily. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin your weight loss journey. If you like this video, please the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to help you in each and every manner. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and check out my Hindi YouTube channel, which is Let's Go Healthy, to receive all the videos in Hindi language. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.